ये ब्लॉग स्टार्ट करने से पहले मुझे पता है आपके दिमाग में ये आ रहा होगा कि ये क्रिसमस के ब्लॉग अभी क्यों अपलोड कर रही है। बात ये है कि मैं क्रिसमस के ब्लॉग नहीं अपलोड कर रही हूँ, यहाँ पे कुछ चीज़ें जो मैंने नोटिस किया था एंड मुझे लग रहा है ये आप सबको जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है। ये वो क्रिसमस का दिन है, दिसंबर 25, 2022 एंड उस दिन हम एक वर्कशॉप के लिए भी गए थे जहाँ पे हम क्ले से कुछ चीज़ें बना रहे थे। आपको पता होगा टेराकोटा, सो हम उसके लिए गए थे। मैं आपको ये दिखाना चाहती हूँ हम लोग कैसे और क्या मुझे एक्चुअली क्या वहाँ से सीखने को मिला। So at the early morning we left for the terracotta workshop and it was Christmas and trust me guys it was for the first time जब मैं terracotta experience कर रही थी एंड उसके साथ मैं क्रिसमस कभी सेलिब्रेट नहीं की थी। ये मेरा पहली बार था जब मैं क्रिसमस सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए गई थी। 6M के बहुत सारे लोग वहाँ पे आए थे एंड वो लोग बता रहे थे कि वो 6M क्यों आते हैं।
Go out in the nature, meet new people and like-minded people rather, because these days you don't find people who want to do these kind of things. So I wanted to explore the possibilities in my city. I like crafts. I'm a very creative person, so anything I am not good at it. Like last time it was a Zentangle, so my painting was not that good. But this time I'll beat Rishabh in making.
Hi, I'm Agastya. I wanted to come here because like it's Christmas and I like waking up early, but now I feel sleepy after coming.
All the art, I mean, there are a lot of art spaces around India and around the world. But I've always felt, because I'm not from an art background, but I've always pursued art. I've always felt that disconnection from that place because, you know, most of us might have felt that. So we thought a place where everybody can come, critique art, discuss art, create something new. So this studio is a drop-in studio. So if you guys want to come in anytime, you know, apart from this workshop, you can come, sit, make yourself some tea. We have small tapri there also. Sit, do your meetings here. If you want to work, bring your laptop. We have tables here, you can sit here and work. So ideally we want to build an environment like that. And it has been going on like that. And so Bossa Nest, because the whole idea was, so Bossa is a small space like a nest. And in a nest, basically, bird lays its eggs, incubates it, and then the small birds and the chicks are born, and then they get wings and they fly. So the idea of Bossa is the same. This is what we want to do here, and it's a place where there is no competition. And we have classes after the workshop where we believe there is nothing called beautiful art or ugly art or not good art. We believe art can be ugly, sad, numb, meaningless, beautiful, great, impossible. Art can be anything. So we would want you all to explore your own idea, explore your own styles. If you see, there are a lot of artworks displayed, and there are a few artworks drying there. They are all, they're all by our students only. So, and they're all first timers, if you see, all the artworks.
Wow.
So,
Pleasure point.
So terracotta is one of the most ancient art forms. I mean, even before paints, even before the Homo sapiens knew how to draw, there was clay always available easily. And terracotta, the term, has been derived from an Italian word which means baked earth. Terra means earth, and clean it. Because this is, so when you're making it, your hands will be definitely dirty. But when you're finally shaping it, giving it that fine texture, that's when you need to have your hands clean, or else you won't get that fine texture. Rule number 2 is will not waste clay. If you feel like your design is not perfect, break it. Because once it hardens, it takes at least 14 days to again bring it back to the normal, to this state. This particular clay is refined clay. It doesn't have sand, it doesn't have anything. It has very strong plasticity. If you see, it can be bended into any shape and form. And this is one of the best quality of clay you will get right now. There are different kinds of clay. We have seen bricks, right? Bricks are also, they're also a form of terracotta only. But the content of brick, it has sand, it has a lot of different types of clay, husk, and it's not hollow from inside. But if you see every single terracotta product you will see in the market or you see anywhere, they're all hollow from inside. Because if you don't keep it hollow, there's a huge chance that there might be air pockets inside it. And when you heat it or when you put it inside the clay, the air when it starts heating starts to expand, right? And it always wants to go away somewhere. When it can't, it breaks the whole structure. So when we're doing it, we'll make sure that we're kneading it properly. When we're making it, we'll make sure that we do not leave any air pockets inside. Okay. Okay. And with that, let's start with the first process. We call it the coiling process. Take a small amount of clay. You can see? Everybody can see, right? So, we won't be doing the pottery wheel today because it looks very simple. We have seen it in the videos and everything, but it's probably one of the most difficult courses of terracotta. The pottery, it takes, I mean, I've seen artists taking 3 months, 4 months to just get the centering right on the wheel. And it looks very easy, but it also takes a lot of strength on your hands and arms to get the whole thing right. So because we're not doing that, we'll learn how to make pots and containers using the coiling process. So make the coil, use both of your hands. And if your surface gets dirty, use the tool to scrape it off. And put it back on the. Also, what will happen is when you're doing it, a body has a temperature, right? And this is definitely colder than that. So the clay absorbs the heat from the body and starts drying up. When you feel the clay is drying up, when you feel it's leather hard, add a little bit of water or this particular thing you might have seen, it's there. We all have to share it. This is basically kaddu, or we can say, yeah. In terracotta, we call it slip. S-L-I-P, slip. This is the adhesive we use to join the clay. It's basically water in the same clay only. And adhesive is very important in terracotta because what happens is if we do not add the adhesive properly, also during the baking process, the part starts falling apart. So this is also a very important part. So when you start joining parts, make sure that we use proper amount of slip. So make 10 of these. Make it as thin as possible. We're not making bigger ones, not of those size, but a bit smaller than that. It's very different. It needs a particular skill, But with this particular medium, you can just explore whatever you want to. I mean, have a design in your mind ready. What you want to create. We'll be teaching you how to make basic leaves, flowers, and animals, birds. But also, we'll try to make sure that the radius of the whole, the coil is similar throughout, like consistent throughout. Or else when we start piling it on, on the base, the shape won't be completely accurate. And that's when we need to add extra filler materials, but then disrupt the whole shape of the container.
मैंने जानबूझ के ये ऑडियो म्यूट करके कोई सॉन्ग ऐड नहीं किया क्योंकि मैं चाहती थी आप सब ये जानो कि क्ले से कैसे कुछ बनता है। एंड वो जो एक्सपर्ट है ना जो अभी बना रहे हैं जो स्क्रीन पे हैं वो बहुत सारी चीज़ें शेयर की। अगर आपने ये देखा अभी मतलब जो भी हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किए उन्होंने जो बताया वो आपको बहुत हेल्प करेगा। जैसे मैं अपनी पैशन को फॉलो कर रही हूँ मुझे लगता है हर किसी को करना चाहिए। आई नो दैट वी ऑल आर रियली बिजी इन आवर लाइफ, पर पता है हम अपने हॉबीज़ को ना हमें कभी छोड़ना नहीं चाहिए। जब हमें वीकेंड या कभी भी हम फ्री टाइम मिलता है ना उसको परस्यू करना चाहिए। आई एम ए बिग एक्सप्लोरर, आपको पता होगा अगर आप मेरे ब्लॉग देख रहे हो मैं बहुत सारी चीज़ें एक्सप्लोर करती हूँ। मैंने ज़िंदगी में कभी फुटबॉल नहीं खेला है वो मैंने खेला। सो हर कोई करना चाहिए क्योंकि ये आपको खुशियाँ देता है. सो इट वॉज एन अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस. फर्स्ट टाइम मैंने कुछ बनाया क्ले से एंड आई रियली एन्जॉयड इट. देखो मतलब कितने सारे लोग कितने चीज़ें बनाए हैं एंड ये मैंने बनाया है. आई एम सो हैप्पी एंड प्राउड ऑफ माई सेल्फ बिकॉज मैं फर्स्ट टाइम ट्राई कर रही थी एंड इट रियली मेड मी हैप्पी. इट मेड माई डे. एंड उसके बाद हम लोगों ने क्रिसमस का भी सेलिब्रेशन किया जो मैंने कभी किया नहीं था. पर मैंने वो आई जस्ट ऑब्जर्व दैट पीपल गिफ्ट्स others and they really get happy by getting gifts. And I really wanted when before the Christmas celebration हमें एक मैसेज आया 6am से दैट कि आपको एक गिफ्ट लेना है. सो रात 8:30 बजे, आप लोग बिलीव नहीं करोगे, मैं निकल पड़ी कि जो भी जिसका मैं सीक्रेट जानता हूँ उसके लिए कुछ लाना है. सो आई बॉट समथिंग बाय थिंकिंग दैट दिस विल मेक दैट person happy. So next day I was super curious and I was super excited to see the happiness in the face of that person for whom I became the secret Santa, and it really went well. And trust me guys, the moral of the story is why this vlog. मैं दो चीज़ें यहाँ पे एड्रेस करना चाहूँगी. फर्स्ट थिंग इज़ दैट whenever you get time, spend time in your hobbies. You like dancing, go for it. Do something that makes you happy. Second thing is that spread happiness. Whenever you do something good for others, you do something that makes other person happy, it automatically makes you happy. So do it. So आज के ब्लॉग इतना ही. See you in the next vlog and thank you so much.